Hello DigiMiners. In this video, we will guide you through the withdrawal process on DigiMiner. Let's begin with opening up your dashboard by logging in. Tap the menu button and select Withdraw. Tap Proceed. Enter your password to verify. Tap Validate. Your withdrawal has been done from DigiMiner. Next, visit alacrities.net and refresh the page if it's already open. Since we received KPW, we need to select KPW. This will display your KPW wallet. Tap Swap. Choose KPW in this field and ETHX in this field.
Enter the KPW amount, and it will show you the corresponding ETHX you'll receive. Tap a swap to execute the transaction. Return to the Alacrities dashboard. You will now see Ethereum ETHX in your wallet. Now, go to the DigiMiner deposit section. Tap on AirWire. This will take you to the AirWire page. Select the ATM, enter the ETHX amount. It will display how much USDT you will receive. Tap a Submit to successfully convert and receive USDT in your wallet.
It's done. Finally, go back to the withdrawal section and enter the USDT amount you obtained. Tap Transfer. Paste your Tron wallet address here to confirm the withdrawal. Go to your Tron app, copy your Tron address, and return to AirWire to paste it. Tap Confirm Withdrawal. Your withdrawal process is now complete. You can also verify the transaction in your Tron wallet. Completing your fund withdrawal only takes a few simple steps and seconds. If you need any further assistance, contact us at support@digiminer.co.